Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Summer is here, the sun is blazing, and what better way to cool down than with a delicious, refreshing homemade juice? Today, we'll be showing you just how easy it is to whip up fantastic summer drinks right in your own kitchen. No more expensive store-bought juices filled with unknown ingredients. We're going all natural, baby. Before we dive in, let's talk about the benefits of making your own juice. Not only is it fun and creative, but it's also a fantastic way to boost your vitamin intake. Fresh fruits and veggies are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, giving your body a healthy summer kickstart. Control ingredients. Ditch the added sugars and preservatives often found in store-bought juices. You control what goes in. Customize flavors. Feeling adventurous? Mix and match fruits and veggies to create unique and delicious flavor combinations. Reduce waste. Got some leftover fruit? Juice it up instead of throwing it away. Equipment and ingredients. All right, let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Blender or juicer. While a juicer extracts the pure juice, a blender allows for a thicker, pulpier consistency. Choose what suits your preference. Cutting board and knife, mixing bowls, fine mesh sieve, optional, for straining. Fresh fruits and vegetables. This is where the magic happens. We'll be using some classic summer favorites today, but feel free to experiment. Summer juice recipes. Today I'll be showing you 4 fantastic summer juice recipes. 1. Tropical Bliss. 1 cup cubed mango. 1 cup chopped pineapple. 1/2 cup sliced orange. 1/2 cup coconut water, optional for blending. This recipe is a taste of the tropics in a glass. The sweetness of the mango and pineapple perfectly complements the tangy orange. Blend it all together until smooth, and for a truly tropical experience, add some coconut water for extra flavor and a smooth consistency. 2. Berry Blast. 1 cup mixed berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, 1/2 cup watermelon chunks, seeds removed, 1/2 lemon juiced, 1/4 cup water, optional for blending. This vibrant juice is bursting with antioxidants and vitamin C. Blend all the ingredients until smooth. You might need a splash of water depending on the juiciness of your watermelon. For a touch of sweetness, you can add a drizzle of honey. 3. The Green Machine. Don't underestimate the power of veggies in your juice. This green juice is surprisingly refreshing and packed with nutrients. 1 cucumber, peeled and chopped. 2 stalks celery chopped. 1 green apple, cored and chopped. 1/2 cup baby spinach. 1/2 lemon juiced. This recipe might seem intimidating at first, but trust me, it's delicious. The sweetness of the apple balances the earthiness of the cucumber and celery. Blend everything together until smooth. You can add a little water if needed for easier blending. 4. Citrus Cooler. This zesty juice is perfect for a hot summer day. It's light, refreshing, and packed with vitamin C. 2 grapefruits, peeled and quartered. 1 orange, peeled and quartered. 1 lime, peeled and quartered. This recipe is super simple. Just toss all the citrus fruits into your juicer or blender and blend until smooth. The natural sweetness of the fruits is enough for this recipe, but you can adjust by adding a touch of honey if desired. Tips and tricks. Here are some helpful tips for making the perfect summer juice. Wash your fruits and veggies thoroughly. Freeze fruits before juicing for an extra icy treat. Don't overjuice leafy greens. Start with a small amount and add more if desired. Summer sips. Beat the heat with homemade juices. For juicing enthusiasts, if you're using a juicer, you can get creative with the pulp. Here are some ideas. Freeze leftover pulp in ice cube trays for a fun twist on your next glass of juice. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more fun and refreshing recipe ideas. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite summer juice combinations are. Until next time, stay cool and stay hydrated.